One thing that really helps me stay motivated to study for exams is having study groups during lockdown and getting some online Teams calls going. This really helps me stay accountable for the work I'm doing. And if I'm going to get stuck in a hard question, it always helps to be able to talk through it.
I stay motivated to study for exams during lockdown by sort of approaching them as I would normal exams and trying to imagine myself doing them in the same way that I would do a normal exam. So this means trying to make a really clear separation between what's exam time and what's term time.
I have a bullet journal and I keep daily to-do lists and write everything that I need to do down for the day. I love the satisfaction of completing all the tasks and ticking it all off. So I guess that's one way I stay motivated. Also, friendly competition with my peers always helps.
I always make sure to get 10 minutes of exercise a day. I think a teacher in year 10 told me that if you do 10 minutes of exercise, your brain will function a bit better and you'll be able to memorize things easier. I think that's true. I find that always helps and it helps me to regulate my energy as well.